Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and I am Hena Talati. Recently, the storms have brought strong winds, heavy rain and flash flooding to the various parts of Europe. European countries like Poland, Czech Republic, Switzerland, Germany and Italy has been hit by the storms and heavy floodings this week. In Romania, one person is dead, one is missing and dozens are evacuated after floods and rain that have affected 16 counties. Authorities in Romania report that floods, heavy rain and strong winds have affected wide areas of the country since 18th June 2021. Firefighters were called on to remove floodwater from the houses, yards and streets or have responded to incidents of wind damage including downed trees and power lines. In a tragic incident in Bacău County, a car participating in an off-road competition was dragged by the waters of the swollen river. The driver of the car died in the incident, which the passenger managed to escape the vehicle. Around 60 people were also evacuated from the homes in the various counties due to the overflow of the Putna River from around 20th June. On 25th June, Romania's National Institute of Hydrology and Water Management has issued yellow and orange level warnings for the rivers in much of the country's southeast region. Further, orange and yellow level warnings are also issued for thunderstorms, heavy rain of up to 70 millimeters and wind gusts of over 80 kilometers per hour. Romania is known as one of the most flood-prone countries in Europe. A short period of torrential rain early on 13th May 2021 caused severe flash flooding in the parts of northern Romania. Heavy rain in April and May 2005 caused the worst floods since 50 years in Romania, and at that time more than 3,500 people were forced to leave their homes after this worst flooding. At least 2 people had died as a result of the floods. In addition to this, damaging floods have swept through the villages of Neuchâtel canton in Switzerland. Fortunately, no injuries or fatalities were reported. Agencies show that the village of Crăciun has recorded 55.5 millimeters of rain, with 34.5 millimeters falling in the space of just 1 hour. The government of Neuchâtel canton said local rivers overflowed, sending torrents of water, debris and sludge into the streets. Landslides were also reported in the area and around 75 buildings were damaged. Emergency services responded to over 100 incidents. Landslides and flooding are closely associated because both are related to intense rainfall, runoff and ground saturation. In turn, flooding can cause landslides due to rapidly moving floodwaters, which often undercut slopes. Heavy thunderstorms also affected in the other areas of the country, including Zurich and Bern. Parts of Zurich airport train station were flooded, interrupting rail services for the short time. Floods and landslides, debris falls, rockfall and rock slides are very common in Switzerland and had caused very heavy damage in Switzerland in 2018. Heavy precipitation in January 2018 resulted in a particularly high number of events, while several thunderstorms between May and August 2018 gave rise to the floods. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.